Morning, Mila. Sorry, traffic was crazy today.
Morning. Don't worry. I was busy people watching. Honestly, this cafe feels like free entertainment.
Really? What did I miss?
Well, I saw a guy order 5 different coffees. He looked so stressed, like his whole life depended on caffeine.
Maybe it did. Some people need coffee more than sleep.
Or maybe more than air.
Speaking of coffee, what did you order?
Cappuccino with extra chocolate, obviously.
Obviously?
Yeah, life is too short for boring coffee.
That's your motto, huh?
I should put it on a t-shirt. No boring coffee.
Careful, that could turn into a business idea.
Imagine we open our own cafe. Every drink has a funny name.
Like what?
Let's see. A strong espresso could be the Monday Nightmare.
Black coffee should be "Don't talk to me yet."
I'd order that every day. And a sweet latte could be hug in a cup.
I'd definitely order that. Sounds like you.
And you'd order what? Something calm and simple?
Probably. I'm more of a regular latte guy. Safe choice.
Boring choice.
Reliable choice.
Okay, Mr. Reliable.
So, how's your week been?
Pretty good. Work is busy, but I like it. Yesterday, I stayed up late watching a movie. Bad idea.
Which movie?
A mystery. I spent 2 hours trying to guess the ending, and I was still wrong.
Classic Mila. Always guessing, never right.
Hey, I'm right sometimes.
Sure, once a year.
Rude. Anyway, what about you?
Just the usual. Meetings, emails, deadlines. Nothing exciting.
Sounds boring.
Exactly why mornings like this are so important. Coffee with a friend makes everything better.
True. Maybe that's the real hug in a cup.
Cheers to that.
See? Even the cafe is entertaining.
Told you, it's like a live show.
Okay, after coffee, what's the plan?
Didn't you say you needed to buy something?
Yes, shopping. But don't worry, I won't take forever.
Uh-huh. Whenever you say quick shopping, it's never quick.
Well, you'll see. It'll be fun.
As long as you don't drag me into 10 different stores.
No promises. Oh, look at that dress. Isn't it beautiful?
It's red. Very red.
Exactly. That's the point. It's bold.
You usually wear black or blue. Red is different.
That's why I want to try it. Change is good.
Every time I come to a clothing store with you, I feel lost.
That's because you never shop properly. You just grab the first t-shirt you see.
Efficient shopping.
Lazy shopping. Wait here, I'll try it on.
Sure, I'll just admire the price tags.
How bad is it?
Let me check. Oh, wow. It's not bad. It's terrifying.
Don't tell me. I want to love it before I see the number.
Okay, I admit it actually looks great.
Really? Not too much?
No, it suits you. But the price? Still scary.
Yikes. You're right. But maybe there's a discount?
Yeah, 5%. That won't save you.
Hey, don't ruin my dream. You know, clothes are like mood. Sometimes you need something bright to feel alive.
And sometimes you need something cheap to stay alive.
Okay, Mr. Accountant.
Seriously though, do you actually need another dress?
Need? No. Want? Yes. Big difference.
You sound like a professional shopper.
Thank you. That's a skill. Ooh, look at these sneakers.
Finally, something practical.
But they're neon green.
Not practical anymore.
Come on. Fashion is about being different.
Fashion is also about not blinding people.
Okay. But seriously, don't you ever get excited about shopping?
Honestly, not really. I prefer buying books or gadgets.
Typical Theo, always logical.
And you're the complete opposite. That's why we balance.
True. If you shopped alone, your closet would be 50 identical t-shirts.
And if you shopped alone, oh wait, you do shop alone. That explains your overflowing closet.
Hey, clothes are an investment.
Investment? In what? Running out of hangers?
Okay, fine. I'll think about the dress. Maybe I'll come back later.
Translation, you're definitely coming back later.
Maybe.